Hello, my name is CS50W. I am from Lithuania. In this video I will demonstrate how I implemented the search project from CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course. First element is pages and links between them. The application has 3 pages: Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. The Google Search page has links to the image search and advanced search pages that have links back to the Google Search page. Next element is functionality of Google Search page. In this page, user can enter query and press Google Search button, which displays results from Google. To return back to the application, user should use back command. Next element is Google Image Search page. This page is similar to previous page demonstrated, only difference is that it shows results with Images tab activated. Next element is Google Advanced Search page. In this page, user can enter 4 options for the Google Search service and press Advanced Search button, which displays a results page. Next element is layout of Advanced Search page. The options are stacked vertically, prompts aligned to the left, and beneath is Advanced Search button, which is with blue background and white text. Next element is I feel lucky button in the Google Search page. If user enter a query and press I'm feeling lucky button, it redirects to the first result bypassing usual results page. Next element is the resembling of Google style. The pages were built in Google style for page layout, colors, and visual effects when mouse hovers or field is focused. For example, how works mouse hover, button focus, field focus, and advanced search button focus, and hover effects. Here I am to end this demonstration. Thank you for watching.